We are drained. We have not seen so many mortalities in our ICU as well as in our near and dear ones. I get maybe around 50 calls every day. Somebody is asking for beds, somebody is asking for cylinders, somebody is asking for drugs. We don't have anything available and patients are dying.
The situation is critical right now. This pandemic is the worst we have ever seen till now. And these 2 weeks are going to be a hell for us.
We are requesting the people of Karnataka, especially those who are above 18 years up to 44 years, to refrain from going to the hospitals thinking that you may be vaccinated tomorrow. We will definitely intimate prior after the confirmation that we obtain from the Serum Institute.
On the issue of India, we have announced that there's going to be a travel restriction starting on Tuesday on the advice of the Centers for Disease Control, our COVID-19 experts, medical experts, our national security advisors.
And this is a very drastic action, but it is designed to keep Australians safe. It's temporary, it's based on the medical advice, and it will be reviewed on the 15th.
कोरोना की पहली वेव का सफलतापूर्वक मुकाबला करने के बाद देश हौसले से भरा हुआ था, आत्मविश्वास से भरा हुआ था, लेकिन इस तूफान ने देश को झकझोर दिया है।
दुगनी सेल हो गई है, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग, कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो घर में रख रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो नॉर्मल पेशेंट है उसे भी दवाई टाइम से नहीं मिल पा रही है। बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ शॉर्ट है, खासकर ऑक्सीजन के सारे पार्ट जैसे फ्लोमीटर, ऑक्सीजन मास्क और फ्लेक्सी मास्क, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर सब शॉर्ट हो चुके हैं।
I really feel that there is a big failure of judiciary, of the nation, of so many people who cheated me on cylinders, who didn't give me facilities on time. And my father couldn't get anything on time. Everything got delayed, everything. Everything got delayed. No reports on time, no medicines on time, no cylinders. Nothing.
situation in India is a devastating reminder of what this virus can do and why we must marshal every tool against it in a comprehensive and integrated approach. Public health measures, vaccines, diagnostics, and therapeutics. This is a scenario that's playing out around the world.